There are still places in Hawaii where homes list for under $300,000, where rentals can occasionally fall close to $1,000, and where acres of land can cost less than a parking space in Honolulu. Meanwhile, Kailua Kona home listings push toward $1 million. But travel away from the resorts, Pahoa, homes around $299,000. Ocean View, around $275,000. And some Big Island rentals occasionally appear around $1,000 or below. Same Hawaii, same Pacific Ocean, completely different price of admission. But there's a reason these places are cheaper. So we're testing 5 places most tourists barely hear about. Can you actually save meaningful money on housing? Do you still get the Hawaiian lifestyle? And once we add groceries, electricity, transportation, healthcare, and the hidden costs the listing doesn't show you, is it actually cheap? Because the cheaper Hawaii gets, the stranger the trade-offs become. Number 5, Hilo, Hawaii. This isn't Waikiki. Rain hits enormous tropical leaves, waterfalls spill through jungle minutes from downtown, and Hilo feels like a working Hawaiian town surrounded by rainforest. Why? People fall in love with it. Hilo gives us real Hawaii without sacrificing ordinary life. You have supermarkets, medical care, a university, and an international airport. Rainbow Falls drops about 80 feet practically inside the city. Mauna Kea rises nearly 14,000 feet above sea level, and Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is within reach. Typical home value sits around $500,000 to $62,000 versus roughly $837,000 statewide. Rent is around $2,000, although individual listings have appeared near $940. The hidden Hawaii test. Cheaper than Hawaii's famous markets? Yes. Actually cheap? Not yet. A day in the life. Breakfast and coffee at a neighborhood coffee shop, around $12 to $18. Then, it's Rainbow Falls, Hilo Bay, or a free park before groceries. Food and electricity remind you that you're living on an island, but you're minutes from supermarkets, healthcare, and an airport. Lifestyle meter. Housing. $1,500 to $2,100 plus. Utilities and internet, $250 to $400. Groceries, $450 to $650. Transportation, $250 to $400. Estimated monthly total, $2,725 to $4,050 plus. Hidden Hawaii, test, limited pass. The dream, affordable Hawaii without disappearing. The honest catch, Hilo is extremely wet and $2,000 rent still isn't cheap. So to find the Hawaii promised by our title, we need to travel south, where homes suddenly fall below $300,000. Number 4, Pahoa, Hawaii. Only about half an hour from Hilo, the forest gets thicker, houses spread apart, and black volcanic rock cuts through the green. This is where cheap Hawaii becomes literal. Why people fall in love with it. Pahoa's typical home value is around $296,000, with a median listing price near $299,000. Compare that with roughly $982,000 in Kailua Kona, nearly $700,000 apart. Nearby Kapaho has been around $240,000, and Kahina roughly $262,500. Yet you're surrounded by rainforest and black lava coastline. The hidden Hawaii test? For buyers, absolutely. For renters, average or median rent runs roughly $1,800 to $2,150, although individual listings around $1,250 have appeared. A day in the life. You drive into Pahoa for breakfast and groceries, while Hilo remains close enough for major healthcare, shopping, and the airport. Head toward the coast and you cross landscapes created by Kalawea, black lava beside dense jungle. You're not simply visiting tropical Hawaii, you can potentially own part of it. Lifestyle meter, housing, around $296,000 typical home value, rent roughly $1,800 to $2,150, utilities and internet $250 to $400, groceries $450 to $650, transportation $275 to $450, estimated monthly total for a renter $2,975 to $4,000. Hidden Hawaii. Test. Pass for buyers. Limited. Pass for renters. The dream: own a piece of tropical Hawaii. The honest catch: Pahoa sits in Kilauea country. The 2018 eruption destroyed 723 structures, and lava risk can affect insurance, financing, roads, and utilities. One thing surprised me here. A $296,000 typical home value sounds like we found the answer. But the lower the price gets, the more important it becomes to understand why. Can we keep the lower prices while getting closer to everyday infrastructure? Number 3, Mountain View, Hawaii. Mountain View takes us higher into the forest, where properties can give you something extremely expensive elsewhere in Hawaii. Space. Why? People fall in love with it. Mountain View sits between Hilo and Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Typical home value is around $342,000, but recent individual listings have appeared around $199,000, $199,900, and $265,000. In much of Hawaii, $200,000 wouldn't come close to buying the house. Here, listings around that price actually exist. Lower cost rentals have also ranged from roughly $950 upward, with one bedrooms around $1,450. The Hidden Hawaii test: you're trading resort beaches for rainforest, acreage, volcanic country, and privacy while keeping Hilo within reach. A day in the life: breakfast and coffee, around $12 to $16. Then drive toward Hilo for errands, or toward Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. What stood out to me here is that we're no longer simply finding cheaper Hawaii. We're finding more Hawaii for the money, more land, more privacy. Lifestyle meter: rent $950 to $1,600 for lower cost options. Utilities and internet $250 to $400. Groceries $450 to $650. Transportation $300 to $475. Estimated monthly total $2,225 to $3,625. Hidden Hawaii test: pass. The dream: the rainforest homestead dream. The honest catch: it's wet, rural, car dependent, and rental inventory is extremely thin. So what if you'll sacrifice convenience for land prices that barely look Hawaiian? We need to cross the island. Number 2, Ocean View, Hawaii. The rainforest disappears. Now it's black lava, enormous skies, scattered homes, and the Pacific stretching below you. Why people fall in love with it? Ocean View's typical home value sits around $267,000 versus roughly $837,000 statewide. But land is where things get strange. Current inventory has included more than 6 acres for $60,000, with ocean and mountain views. 6 acres. In Hawaii, for less than many new cars. The Hidden Hawaii test. For buyers, this is our strongest price yet. For renters, inventory is extremely limited, although individual listings around $750 have appeared. A day in the life. You wake up on Mauna Loa's slope with the Pacific below you. Solar and water catchment can become ordinary parts of life. Your afternoon might mean working on your land or exploring the southern Big Island rather than spending money inside a resort district. Lifestyle meter. Housing. Around $267,000 typical home value. Rent, extremely limited, occasional listings below $1,000. Utilities and internet, $250 to $450. Groceries, $450 to $650. Transportation, $350 to $550. Estimated monthly total for a lower cost renter, $2,050 to $3,125. Hidden Hawaii. Test: strong pass for buyers, limited pass for renters. The dream: the Hawaiian independence dream, land, privacy, ocean views, space. The honest catch: water, infrastructure, healthcare access, long drives, and lava exposure can all become serious issues. Ocean View gives us the lowest prices and the biggest sacrifice. Can number 1 give us some community and greenery back without sending home prices above $300,000? Number 1, Paheli, Hawaii. We found cheaper land in Ocean View, better infrastructure in Hilo. Rainforest living in Mountain View. Pahala brings us somewhere in between. Green again, small town Hawaii, and only a few miles from black sand coastline. Why people fall in love with it. This is Old Plantation, Hawaii, surrounded today by agricultural land and Kau coffee country. Punalu'u Black Sand Beach sits toward the coast. Hawaii Volcanoes National Park is accessible to the northeast, and Pahala's typical home value, around $289,000. The Hidden Hawaii test. Pahala keeps typical home values below $300,000 while giving us greenery and community that ocean view sacrificed. Rental inventory, however, is too thin for a reliable market-wide average. A day in the life. You wake up in a small town on Mauna Loa's southern flank. Breakfast and coffee at a local coffee shop. Then maybe you drive toward Punalu'u, where black volcanic sand meets blue Pacific water. You plan grocery trips more carefully and travel farther for specialized healthcare. But there's no resort district outside your door constantly asking you to spend money. You're not recreating a Hawaiian vacation, you're actually living here. Lifestyle meter. Housing. Around $289,000 typical home value. Rent, limited inventory. Utilities and internet, $250 to $400. Groceries, $450 to $650. Transportation, $325 to $500. Healthcare and miscellaneous, $200 to $350. Estimated monthly total for a lower cost renter, $2,200 to $3,400. Hidden Hawaii. Test, strong pass for buyers, limited for renters. The dream, the small town Hawaii dream, coffee country, black sand coastline, volcanoes, community, and a typical home value below $300,000 in one of America's most expensive states. The honest catch, rental inventory is tiny, major healthcare and airports require more driving, and volcanic risk remains part of the equation. Pahala isn't the cheapest. It wins because it best answers the question we started with. Can cheap Hawaii still feel like Hawaii? Here, the answer comes closest to yes. The hidden lesson, the cheap side of Hawaii is real, but every time housing gets cheaper, Hawaii asks you to pay somewhere else. Distance, infrastructure, weather, volcanic risk, or limited inventory. The real bargain isn't finding the cheapest piece of Hawaii, it's finding the compromise you'd actually be happy living with. If you enjoyed uncovering this side of Hawaii with us, subscribe to No VC Man. Every week we investigate places that can change how you think about relocation, affordable living, and geographic freedom. And the next adventure is already waiting on your screen. We'll see you there.